Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my another video. Today we are going to make this chair. So let's now start the video. First go to rectangle tool, select this origin and make a rectangle of 600, 600. Now go to push pull tool, give a value of 75 mm. Now select this whole body, double click and right click and make it. Now rotate this model like this. Go to rectangle tool and make a rectangle of 75, 75. Go to push pull tool, give a value of 600 on. On double click the leg, right click and link it. Go to move tool, select this point, press control and place it here like this. Again select this point, press control and move it here. Again select this point, press control and move it here. Now go to rectangle tool and create the rectangle of 35, 75. Go to push tool, select this face and drag it up the wall. Double click it, right click and make it. Go to move tool, select this point, press control and move here. Now again go to rectangle tool and select this point, make a rectangle of 50, 50. Go to push tool, select this, drag it up to 600. Double click it, right click and make it. Select the tool, select this point, press control, sorry. Select this point, press control and place it over here. Now again go to rectangle tool, choose this point and make a rectangle of 60, 50. Go to push pull tool, change this face and drag it here. Right click it, double click and make it. Go to move tool, select this point, press control and place it over here. Now go to rectangle tool, select this point and make a rectangle like this. Go to push pull tool, select this face and drag it here. Go to rectangle tool and make rectangle like this. Select this rectangle, go to move tool, select this point, press control and place it at 60 mm system. Select this point, press control, place it at 60 mm. Again select this point, press control and place it at 60 mm. Again press control, place it at 60 mm. Now go to move tool and drag it over here. Select this one, drag it here, and move it here up here. Now go to rectangle tool, select this point and make a square of 50, 50. Now go to line tool, select this point and make a vertical line of 250 mm. Now go straight down, moving the line like this. Go to parameter, select this way, and go from this path. Go to start. Select this body, right click, and go to select this one, press control, and place it over here. Now that our chair is ready, let's give texture to it. Before this, select this whole body, go to material, go to roll, select this to complete. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like and share it. And also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my latest videos.